Good morning, students. Today we are going to see the topic detergents. See, what are detergents? So nowadays we are using different detergents for washing. So example, Rin, Ariel, like that. See the picture. So if we compare detergent to soap, detergent cleaning action is better than that of the soap. Detergents do not form precipitate or scum with hot water. Detergents are salts of sulfonic acid, but soaps are salts of fatty acids. Next, we see about the preparation of detergents. Detergents are prepared by adding sulfuric acid with hydrocarbon. You know this hydrocarbon is obtained from petroleum. Then we add alkali to this mixture. Alkali means sodium hydroxide. This alkali prevent formation of precipitate in hot water and produce suffocant molecule, that is surface molecule. These molecules do not bond with calcium and magnesium ion in hot water. In addition to alkali, several other ingredients also in detergent. Sodium silicate prevents corrosion and prevent damage of washing machine. Fluorescent whitening agent gives glow to the clothes. Glow means shining. Sodium perborate removes stains from cloth. Sodium sulfate prevent the caking of the detergent. Enzymes removes biological stain like blood and vegetable juice. Fragrant chemicals gives pleasant smell to the clothes. These are the details about detergent. I hope you have understand. See, next we see about the action of soap. A soap molecule contains two chemical parts. One is polar end part, another is non-polar end part. The polar end part is short head. The non-polar end part is long tail. The short head is carboxylate group. The long tail is hydrocarbon chain. The short head is a hydrophilic in nature, that is water loving. It attracted towards water. The long tail is hydrophobic in nature, that means water hating. It is attracted towards dirt or oil on clothes. The nonpolar end surrounds the dirt and make micelles. This short polar end make the micelles soluble in water. Thus, the dirt is washed away from the clothes. Next, we see about advantages of detergents over soap. Detergents can be used in hard water, soft water, saline water and acidic water. Detergents do not leave scum in water. It dissolves freely even in cool water. It can be used for even washing woolen clothes. The detergents keeping synthetic clothes brighter and whiter. The detergents having linear chain, hydrocarbon chain, it is biodegradable. The detergents removes motor grease. So students, you advise your mother to use detergent for washing. Then only your dress will shows bright and white. So next we see the types of detergents. Detergents are two types. One is biodegradable detergent. Another one is non-biodegradable detergent. Degradable means decompose. See, biodegradable detergent having linear chain. See, it is decomposed by bacteria. Say example, see the picture. Say laundry liquid. Say non-biodegradable detergent having branched chain. It cannot be decomposed by bacteria. Say example, see the picture, Tide and Purex, etc. Students, next we see the disadvantages of detergents. Non-biodegradable detergent produce pollution in water. Next, the commonly detergent are more expensive also. See, okay students, the soaps and detergent topic is over. Study well.